Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Asian Programmer. So today we're gonna make a video about the one of the subscriber request me to make a video about how to merge two arrays into a third array. So first I will make simple arrays and I will just gonna merge it simply into the third array. Then the next task which I will gonna be make is that I will merge two arrays in a sorted form in the third array. But in the first task it will not be sorted, but in the second task it will be sorted in the third array where I will merge two arrays in the third array. So let's get started. So first of all we just need to make an array. Let's say a 5 size. We're giving the static values right now so you understand easily. I will also make the dynamic one if you guys want. Just come and tell me in the comment box if you want the dynamic one as well. Okay, let's make it b and give with our values random 90 minus 3 minus 4. Okay, that's the two arrays. We need to make a third array c. Now c will be the equal of the size of a and the size of b, like 5 plus 5 it will be equal to 10 because it will 10 values gonna be saved in the third array because we merged two 5 and 5 indexes array, so it's gonna be 10 indexes for the third array. Now we just need to make a loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than equal to 5, I plus plus. We just need to assign the values of a of I to c of I. That's it. Now we make another loop for int j is equals to 0, j less than 5, j plus plus. Okay, now if we do like this, then it will just override the values which is already saved on the 0th index till the 0 till the 4th index, which is going to be 5 values of AI from the first array. So what we need to do, we need to save the values of b at one index ahead of that particular values. So we're not gonna save from j, we just need to plus the total size of the array which we have already saved it. We just need to add j plus 5. Then now it will save all the values of a and b all together in the third array. Okay, let's just print it so you can guys see it. For integer I equals 0, I less than 10, I plus. So did you guys see I am using I continuously because the scope of that particular I is only inside the loop. When the loop is terminated, the scope of I is finished, so you can use it again if you want to. So let's say cout c of I and give a space bit and let's print it. Okay, here you go. It just printed 0 1 2 3 4 from the array first, then 0 10 90 minus 3 minus 4 from the array second, but it is not in a sorted form. So that's the first task we have done. Let's make it another task in which we will sort these two array as well. Okay, I will just comment this. So if you guys need this code, I will just make a Google link and I will just enter into the description so you can see it, and if you just want to copy paste, then copy the code into your code and just read it from there and understand while watching this video. Okay, now we have to make this same thing, but we have to sort the third array as well. So what I told you already, suppose we have created the whole thing again. I don't need to like comment it because we are using the game. We don't need to comment it. So let's see, we just make that this thing, but the answer is not in a sorted form. So what you guys gonna do is, before you printing it out, you just have to add sort c comma the name of the array again plus the total size which is 10, and that's it. But now it's keeping error. You know why? Because we didn't include the library which is in which this function is available. So we just have to include, either you guys include algorithm, that would be fine, or you can guys add this one. It has more functionality Then the algorithm one, it's bits.stdc plus plus dot h. You can add either of these two libraries, both with these, that function will work. Now let's print it out. Now look, all the values of the array 1 and array 2 comes in sorted order in the array 3rd. So the complexity of this program is that's n that when you add n, then that will be 2n, and for the sorting that will be n log n. So the total complexity of the program is equals to 2n plus n log n. So that will be conclude as n log n. That's it. So the complexity of this program will be n log n, so it will not be very much difficult, and it will not gonna be like take so many time to execute it. It's easy and it will be efficient program as well. So if you guys like it, do subscribe and like my channel. But I want to make this dynamic as well, because I've already promised you guys that this is a static one. I will make it into a dynamic one in which we're gonna take values from the user as well. So let's make it that way then. We just have to change this, remove this static values. After removing the static values, we just need to say it on the console that cout enter the first array values. Okay, enter the first array values. You can also take these value as well from the user from the inside, but with that we just need to write the new thing. But I'm not doing it right now. I'm just making it simple for you guys. We just gonna do it this way. We have set the size of the arrays. Now we'll just ask from the user to enter the values of the first array. We'll make a loop over here, and I is 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Okay, in which we just gonna scene a of I. Okay, then we're just gonna copy this thing and say cout enter the second array values, and instead of a we will just write b. Okay, the remaining thing will work as the same. So let's run it out this way as well. So it say enter the values. I say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter the values of second array. I'll say 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, the answer. What's the answer? Okay, it seems already. Yep. I think it should give the answer. Well, it's not giving the answer. Okay, I add one value. Nah, my bad. Sorry. I add the 4 values. Let's do it again. It's giving error. I don't know what. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, here you go. Enter the first values: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Okay, so here you go. The answer came 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 in a sorted way as well. So that's the dynamic way. And there's another way in which you can also assign these values as well, you know. So how you can do it, you just need to ask the user integer. You have to make an integer size. Now you ask from the user cout enter the size of the first array, and you just have to see in the size. Okay, and when you see the size, just enter the size over here. That's it. Now you get the size from the user as well. So what you need to do now, here you go, just copy this. You can use the same variable again, because the value in our notes, we already stored that value in that particular array as well. We'll just do the size over here again, and in here just we will say size 2 and size 1. Yeah, we need to make another size as well, size 2 and size 1, because in here we just need to plus this size 1 plus size 2. Okay, here you go, there's error because I didn't put 1 and 2. Okay, all fine. So now I will just need to change this secondary. Okay, let's test this out as well so you guys can also watch this. Okay, let's say the first array size would be 5, second array size would be 6. Now enter the values of the first array, 5 values. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4. Now I have to write 6 values, minus 10, minus 20, 30, 40, 50. How many was it? 1 2 3 4 5 and 60. Here you go, it comes in a sorted way and all good. So if you want to see the code all again, I will just scroll it so you can see it again. Here you go. So if you like my video, do subscribe and like my video. Thanks everyone. Do share it with your friends who find programming difficult, and tell them programming is not very difficult. Thank you very much. Bye bye.